to Fun World of Gel, and I'm in my lab today. Parents, I'm gonna teach you how to make hand sanitizer. Parents, it's very important. Are you listening? Your child must never do this without a grown-up. Put on your gloves for protection. Ready. I decided to make this video to fight germs, and it's important to put this on your hand so you can fight germs wherever you go. When you go to the shops to buy some food, or you go to the mall, or you play some games, or when you're all at school. Parents, I don't have 3 hands. My mom is gonna help me. For the ingredients, we need 150 mole corn. Mole corn. 1 tablespoon of glycerine. We couldn't find aloe gel, but we're using 50 ml aloe lotion. To make it smell nice, you have to add 10 drops of essential oil. Parents, we're going to mix it now. I'm going to ask my mom to pour in the alcohol. Second step, I am adding the glycerine into the bowl. I'm adding the aloe lotion now. For the last step, I'm gonna add 10 drops of essential oil. Oops! Now we're mixing. Parents, you can buy these plastic bottles at a plastic shop. I'm pouring my mixture into the bottle. Voila! And this is our hand sanitizer lotion. It smells good, guys. So, these are all the germs, and I'm gonna stick my finger in it. Can you see all of those germs? I'm gonna put my finger in the hand sanitizer that we made. Now let's see what happens. Wow, guys, it works. Thank you, parents, for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy making your own hand sanitizer. Remember to always keep your hands clean.